Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put about number 0 go here and here. So we can see that this one you got number 0, 1 minus e to the power of number 0, you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So that should be about F hospital. We can apply F hospital in this one. And now we have like this. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have 12. This one we have negative number 6 e to the power of 6s. Because we have the negative sign here, that's why we have this one. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. First derivative of this one, we have this one. And now we can put number 0 on here. And we have negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.